Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone dynamic link library error and an ARC dynamic link library error when you try to install a games. So here we go. Thank you for answer.microsoft.com and also da.user provide us this article to solve this problem. You can increase Windows page file or virtual memory because here the ISDone.dll and ARC.dll error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games, as well as program of large size, large gem, or program have compressed data, and this eat up your PC RAM as well your hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So the solution, there are some method, but I usually use this method as my main solution. By hold Windows key and R key and open sysdm.cpl on this one box. This is the system properties. Click OK, and this is the system properties. You can click advanced, click performance settings, then click again the advanced and click change on virtual memory tab, and untick this box in order to manually manage paging file size. Click custom size and fill this initial size by 400 and maximum size is 3000. You can set it, apply, and restart your PC and try to reinstall your game or your software. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So with this button below. See you in the next video.